Hello everyone and welcome to another Phenomenex video tip. This month's tip is going to be a liquid chromatography tip. My name is Genevieve Hodson. I'm the Senior Manager of the Applications and Technical Support team here at Phenomenex, and I'm going to be helping you guys out with this month's troubleshooting tip. So it comes from a customer, and the customer's question is, I'm having problems with my peaks retention time moving, but I don't know where to start troubleshooting. Troubleshooting can be pretty daunting, so let's try and break it down a little bit. So when we look at troubleshooting different LC methods, right, we try and figure out first if it's a system or chromatographic related problem. And we do this by looking at the T0. It's not the only way, but it's one of the best ways to go about troubleshooting. So the T0 is an unretained peak. So this is a peak that just flows right through the column. We call it T0 unretained peak. You can figure it out experimentally by using uracil or potassium nitrate added to your method or added to your blank, and then that will mark the T0 unretained peak for you for troubleshooting purposes. Now, is this T0, we ask ourselves, is this T0 constant or variable, meaning that it's moving around? If T0 is variable, it's likely a physical problem, a system-related problem, something like the flow rate. If T0 is constant, but you're seeing shifting in your peaks, then it's likely a chromatographic or a chemical problem. So if the T0 is variable, if it's moving around, likely this is from a system, hardware, or physical related problem. And especially if you're seeing all of the peaks in a chromatogram shift one way or another, likely it's a physical or system related problem. So these types of problems in troubleshooting, we like to look at maybe it could be the wrong column length was used. It could be that there was something wrong with the flow rate. Maybe the wrong flow rate was entered into a program, like our example here where 1.0 mils per minute was used and then 1.5 mils per minute was used, and you can see that the T0 is moving quite a bit. Or it could be something that's wrong with the pumps that's causing a change in the flow rate. Or it could be something with the solvent line or fritz. Could be that the solvent itself is empty, it was run dry, right? Or it could be related to the tubing, or the system swell volume may be different. Maybe the tubing was changed or updated. If the T0 is constant, but you see shifting of like one or two peaks, a few different peaks, then it's likely a column, chromatographic, or a chemical issue in troubleshooting. So it could be something simple as the wrong mobile, or not mobile phase, well, it could be a wrong mobile phase, but the wrong phase of media was used. Maybe you grabbed the column with the same dimensions, but it was a different phase of media or silica. It could also be, and this is typically what I see most often, that the analyte that is moving around or shifting is ionizable, meaning that it has two different microspecies. It has a neutral form and an ionized form. The neutral form tends to be a little bit more hydrophobic and stays on a reverse phase column a little bit more. So the pH of the mobile phase is very important. And if it changes a little bit, it can cause a big shift in the retention time of a few select peaks. And this could be anywhere from a solvent that's old or a solvent that has volatile components that are evaporating off. It could also be something with the temperature. If the temperature is changing, it causes the interactions in the column to change as well, right? Thank you for joining me for another technical tip. Please look out each month for new technical tips, and you can keep joining me here for them. Also, if you need help right away, please go to Phenomenex.com. We have our chat team who is ready to help you 24/7. They are a team of customer service experts and also technical experts too, chromatographers, and they can help you begin your troubleshooting journey as well. Thank you again, and bye-bye.